Dad, park.
I'm going to right now. I was parking in the fucking handicap on accident. Damn, I was backing up out of it and parking the right way.
He's getting all violent with this dude.
Alright, what's up, guys? Rowdy Patriot.
What did he do wrong?
Who knows?
Uh-oh. Don't get out.
Why?
Not her, not you. Her.
Yeah, you guys are out of control.
Go talk to her. See, she'll talk to you.
Well, it's got nothing better to do than fuck with people. Oh, big time. It's called Napoleon Complex. It's called Napoleon Complex. Yeah, it's called the Napoleon Complex. It's a real thing.
And in real life,
He's like 90 pounds soaking wet, if that. I bet he don't even weigh 90 pounds. He's like 4'9". He's like 4'9". I don't know.
not credentials to be a cop.
Yeah, I mean, you'd think there would be expectations to be a cop. One of them would be a physical fitness test, but look at half of them.
Listen, that motherfucker's I'm just maneuvering his ass.
Can you imagine him trying to arrest Bubby? Bubby curling with one arm. Bubby like, excuse me, sir. Can I use you as a weight curling device? Talking about my son, guys. my son's a complete monster.
He looks like the one that when all that shit went down on Ludlow, he looks like the one that pulled Donald out by gunpoint, but I don't think that was him. I think that was an Asian guy, but they look very similar.
Right, right. And here comes the search because they can't keep their grubby paws to themselves. They have to rifle through other people's shit. Yeah, of course. I said, here comes the search. Of course they're going to search it because they're going to tow it. So they call it an inventory search.
I'll be like, I don't need you to take inventory.
Oh, wait a minute. She's in there. No, she's
Yeah,
sitting
she's
in
in
there.
there with her kid. And he's up in there. Reaching up in
Damn. Damn.
Here comes another cop. What you want, babe? He gonna pull up in here.
No, he ain't. Look at this. I did too. Right?
His hair is bigger than his whole body. Hey, I'm gonna ask if they have your body camera on.
It's supposed to come on with sirens, but this one right here don't even have the sirens on. Be quiet. I know, but you sound crazy. Look, baby, the one that's up there's lights are on.
All right,
Okay, well I'm just saying the one up there's lights are on. Yeah,
Every one of their lights should be on.
I agree.
Every one of them is on a stop.
Yeah.
Every one of their lights should be
I
on.
agree.
Every one of them's body cameras should be activated.
I agree.
So that every
Well, they
one
can
of
turn them
can
on
be
though,
held
also, but
accountable.
they can also turn them on manually.
But look,
So.
this cop who's talking to her right now, nobody.
Oh no, he's on the
No,
second
he ain't
one.
got
Nope.
that shit on. He's
No,
backing
the little
his
one
lights
does.
off. He done reached
And
up
he
in
looks
her
like a
car.
sergeant.
I'm gonna get his unit number. No, not him, the other one, because he's got the body camera activated, because his lights were on. I will when they move. I'll get it when they get out. Backing out. $462. $462. All right.
I'll just go get that for a public information request. Have a good day. And we'll see if you've been recording it the whole time, buddy.
462.
Okay, yeah, 464. Yep.
He didn't like being. He didn't
You
like
didn't
it.
like it, did you? You don't like accountability. Let's not turn on the lights.
He didn't,
Let's not start hitting record until somebody says something about record.
Well, you want to bet he didn't
Well, I will
record
be.
himself reaching into her
Yeah,
car.
he didn't record himself reaching up into her car illegally, but I did. 464.
And they were hoping they'd get to tow her car because
Right.
they were hoping that she didn't have her license. I see them
Exactly.
checking her
I know.
everything.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, that was it.
Fucking douchebags. They're gonna just be out fucking with everybody
I wonder
tonight.
if she would tell you if you pulled up next to her, if she'd tell you what happened. Is that too invasive?
Yeah, I don't want to do that. A lot of people don't like to be on recording.
I wasn't saying record it.
All right, guys, that's it.
Perfect.
News Not How, or Roddy Patriot out.
You